Hello, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are in the kitchen and we are whipping up homemade eggnog. This stuff is actually super easy to make and it's so yummy. You're going to want to make it every Christmas. And we have 3 neighborhood kids, Kenny, Colin, and Matthew, on hand to let us know if it tastes good. We are following a recipe today that was sent to us via video. It was recorded by a French foreign exchange student in Phoenix. His name is Daniel. And we're going to follow Daniel's recipe exactly as he sent it to us, with the exception of one ingredient. We are using almond milk to make a non-dairy eggnog. We are also going to need 5 egg yolks with the whites removed, some cinnamon, vanilla, and about 3/4 cup of sugar. We are going to begin by gently simmering our milk on top of the stove. In a separate bowl, we are going to whisk our egg yolks. We're going to then gradually incorporate each of our ingredients in with the egg yolks, starting with 3/4 cup of sugar. And then in goes our vanilla. The recipe sent to us by Daniel includes about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, so that's what we included in our mixture. We did find this to be a little bit heavy on the cinnamon. Next time I make this, I'll probably cut back to maybe a teaspoon or so. We're then going to very slowly add our warm milk into our mixture. And for this process, you can see Matthew stirring the mixture, and that's me pouring the warm milk into the bowl. Of course, you can do this all by yourself, but it makes it easier if you have 2 people helping with this process. And we're going to keep gradually pouring the milk into the egg mixture until all of the milk is in the bowl. We're using about 3 cups of milk. We decided to use almond milk rather than whole milk or cream, which could also be used in this recipe. Almond milk works very nicely. The mixture will still come out nice and creamy and smooth, and it has a very nice flavor and none of the lactose. Once all of the milk has been transferred to the bowl, we are then going to take the whole mixture, put it back in the pot, and we are going to put it on the stove and bring it to a gentle boil. We want to make sure that those eggs are completely cooked. And then we're going to chill our mixture for several hours. And then it's ready to drink.
No gracias.
How is it?
Horrible.
It's horrible. You like it, Matthew?
Yeah.
The reactions of our mini taste testers were mixed. One did not like the eggnog at all, while the other 2 did actually quite like it. But we all agreed it was very simple to make. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe, article, and more video, go online to PenelCentral.com.